G'day! In today's video I'm doing a screen replacement on this MSI GF63, GF63? Yes, GF63 Thin 11 SC. Before you get too far into the screen replacement, to make sure you take out all the screws, get in there and disconnect your battery. Just to the odd chance it might try and turn on while using it or swapping the screen, definitely do that. So this one here, I just had to kind of walk out. So I reconnect it, zoom you guys in. Should just be able to walk left, right, and just keep tilting it until it's fully disconnected. Then from there, proceed with the swap. Now, I'm almost dead certain that the screen on this is damaged. I can see a horizontal line going through it. Didn't notice that initially, but if I get this screen out, I can hopefully try a different panel to confirm my theory. There's a lot of tape holding this in, especially along the edges here. And say be careful on the edges, don't do what I did. MSI is very cheap with the trim plastic along the side. Also, I do have the battery disconnected at the moment too, so this won't accidentally turn itself on because it feels like it. So, move that out of the way. Now, I am failing to see any pull tabs, but being that this is coming out so easily, and so I suspect this may have been changed once before. There we go. I'm going to be taking a fairly standard. Now this one is only a 60 Hz panel, I believe. 11156 WFC. So this one is a 60 Hz panel. If you have this smaller 30 pin connector on your display, you won't be able to upgrade it to a 144 Hz panel. It uses a 40 pin connector for the higher refresh rate. So I'm just going to go grab another screen. B156HT060 Its connection is the same. This one was pulled out of a faulty Acer laptop. In theory, if I plug this in, plug in power, we should have a working display once more. Okay. Same resolution, so we should be right from there. This one I don't know if the screen's broken. It did have a hit on the corner of it. When you want to do a repair on the cheap, second-hand parts are a godsend. Plug in power, hit power. Let's see if we get anything on the screen. There we go. It said MSI just there. There we go. One faulty display and one BitLocker very unhappy. But we are displaying once more. I'll proceed with the rest of the install.